Yo, 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 this is what it is. This is Sean Fleming, a.k.a. Sean Nuff. Check me out on YouTube, Facebook, and MySpace, as well as Twitter. Coming at you with the hottest cars and the hottest vehicles in the city of Philadelphia. And right now, you'll be looking at the new custom-made Lotus car. Look at that sucker. Nice, isn't it? All red. You can see the grill. Grill look nice, don't it? Look at that. The Lotus. Yeah, look at that. The headlights. Fantastic. Whoever built this must be a fine craftsman. It's a real expensive piece of hardware. Real expensive vehicle. Probably run you like close to 200 grand or more, or 100 grand or more. See the inside, steering wheel, again, the stick shift, and all of it. See that? Good. Custom made. That's my kind of car right there. Trust me. Anyway, as you can see, the tail lights and the fins. It's called the Lotus Exige S series. Oh man, this sucker's nice. Man, this is one nice car. I mean, check it out from the sides. Even got the gas tank on the side of it. Check out the back piece. The motor. Interesting part about it, the motor is in the back, not in the front like most cars. Now most cars had a motor in the front part. It's in the back part. In this car. Look at that. The motor. See that? Nice. That's what I'm talking about. One fine piece of automobile. Yeah, check out that Lotus, the Lotus S. The S series. Oh man. Isn't it sexy? And she's sexy, ain't she? I'm telling you, that car is sexy, ain't it? I tell you. Look at that. Look at that. Front. Sides. Man. So nice. See the top part, it's got an exhaust, it's got a cooling, so whenever it overheats, it exhausts air, keep the passenger from ever overheat, cools off, especially if he's driving real fast. Yeah. Check out the wheels. The wheels say Lotus on it. Look at that. Check out the wheels. Oh man. One nice car. The Lotus Exige S series. Man, this is one nice car. And there you have it. The hottest wheels in Philly right now. That you just saw was the Exige S series car from Lotus. Like I said, this is Sean Fleming. Check me out on YouTube, Facebook, on Twitter, whatever it takes. Hit me up. Tell me what you think. This is Sean Fleming. Giving you the hottest cars, the hottest motorcycles, and other things that goes on in Philly. Coming at you. Check me out. Peace. That's a wrap.